Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new and empty card as a lesson template, for example, on Eduaide AI to use it for your students and classes. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to Eduaide AI, log into your account and navigate to your account's history. Next, what you want to do, guys, is, for example, click into one of your lessons and select these three dots here. Select Load to Workspace, and that is going to give you the opportunity to create a completely new card and add it to your workspace. So click into that button and there you go. Then the empty card will then be added to your list of lessons. So let me close these cards here. So if you'd like to access these guys, click into these three dots, select Load to Workspace, and now you can, for example, rename your card. Let's assume you're working on, or you're building a new lesson about ancient or history of ancient Rome or something like that, and so on and so forth. And now below you can enter or type in your commands and add content to your lesson by clicking into that edit button here, and give the artificial intelligence, for example, the command by pressing / and using one of these commands, or you simply build your own lesson by creating assessments, questions, class notes, and so on and so forth. And that's it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.